Hey guys, and welcome back to Brand's YouTube channel. Today we are back with another MiP tutorial. Actually, I'm going to be skipping pink mode on MiP because I do not have the tray, and I hear you're supposed to have the tray to be able to do this. So today we are doing cage game mode with MiP. So I saw we got seven views yesterday. Thank you. But I've been looking and it says 86% of my viewers have not subscribed. So that 86% needs to subscribe. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's get into the video right now. Okay y'all, so I'm pretty sure we all remember MiP from yesterday. The robot from Wowie. But yeah, so you know how to turn them on. Just like that. So we're actually going to turn his room. We did this mode yesterday. Not this one, but this one. So we put him down here. Now this is a game you play for me. He goes and he's stuck in an invisible cage. You got to put your hand to prevent him from getting out. So and he's going faster every time you do it. So see, he's starting to get a little faster. So if he wins, he'll kind of just do a bit of a brag. He wins. But then if you win, he'll start crying. But this is a very fun game that I think all y'all should try with MiP. It is very simple and fun to do. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, that 86%. Subscribe, please. And thank you to the other percent. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.